If your car carpets are looking rough, stained, or just plain dirty, this video is definitely going to save you time. I'm sharing my step-by-step car carpet cleaning process that works on everything from coffee spills to those horrible muddy footprints. And let's not forget those crusty salt carpet stains accumulated from who knows how many winters. After removing your floor mats, using a dry white drill brush on either a drill or impact driver on medium speed, loosen up the dirt and stains. Be sure to feed the brush across the stain in different directions to loosen up the dirt from the carpet. You can see the salt chunks coming loose and flying around while brushing. In addition to the domed brush, there's also one with a flat end, so you can use it in and around your gas and dead pedal, as well as along the edges of the carpet. Next, vacuum thoroughly. Get all the loose dirt, salt, crumbs, and debris out. Whatever you do, don't skip this step. Be sure to use the crevice tool to get into all those tight spots. If you like this video and you'd like to see more quick DIY detailing videos just like it, smash the subscribe button and give this video a like. Next, spray on Chemical Guy's Total Cleaner and Protectant over a complete dirty carpet. Grab your drill brush and scrub the dirty carpet again. You don't need to scrub super hard. Let the cleaner and brush do the work. You'll see the dirt start lifting immediately. For ground-in dirt, work from the outside of the stain toward the center. For any really tough stains, like these salt stains, spray on additional Chemical Guy's Total Cleaner and Protectant and agitate with a coarse detailing brush. You might need to remove some of that crust with your fingernails. Then follow up using an old toothbrush on those stubborn stains. Using clean microfiber towels to soak up the moisture and lifted dirt. Keep blotting until the towel comes away clean. Then let it air dry completely. Crack the windows, use a fan, or a wet dry vacuum if you have one to speed this up. Once dry, vacuum to complete. Wow, look at that difference. Your carpets went from disaster to almost just like new in just minutes of actual work time. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more car care tips. And click here for your next video on cleaning those rubber floor mats, and I'll see you there.